I gotta show you. Get on your butt. Get on your butt.
I don't want to get on my butt.
Just let me show you. Get on your butt. Alright, watch this. Okay? This is called a rear naked choke, okay?
A what?
It's called rear naked choke.
Rear neck?
Rear naked.
Ew.
Okay, watch. I put your chin.
It's not naked, it's
right here in my elbow. Okay?
Okay.
Now I grab my shoulder.
Grab your shoulder.
No, I grab my shoulder. My hand is on my shoulder right now.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to come around. And then all you got to do is tighten your muscles and breathe in.
Hey, can I look through your messages? Yo, guys.
So you go like
Can I look through your messages?
No, look, grab your shoulder.
Patterson!
You're doing it wrong. Look.
No, I'm not.
Angela, you're not choking me. I'm going to show you if
You go like this?
Are you going to listen?
Yes, you go like this.
Are you going to listen?
You go like this.
Shut up, let me tell you. Watch. Alright, put your arm around. Okay, put your elbow right here on my neck. Now grab your shoulder.
Grab it.
Now grab your shoulder. Okay, now breathe in and tighten your muscles.
Oh, the Patterson.
Wait, I'm writing this.
Hey, can I see the messages?
I'm gonna go like
Elder
this.
Robinson!
Then like this.
Elder Robinson!
Yes, ma'am.
Can I look at the messages?
Put
Okay,
your
look.
put your
I'm
elbow
gonna read them
like
out
that.
loud. They're, hey,
Grab your shoulder.
Oh my god, I'm not that flexible.
As much as you can, just like that. Now breathe in. You don't
Mom!
have to breathe in and tighten your muscles. Go.
You know what?
No, it's not. It's not gonna work.
I'm gonna read them out loud. Quien about, whatever, baptized. Los Calvarios, Wink, Tony and Iska, Isai,
What? This is fast. No, it's not. Let go.
You don't listen.
Haha, that is
It's
good,
not
and
gonna
I
work
wish
if
I
you
could
don't
have
You
listen.
come,
go
but
like this
no
and then you
cows
go like
yet.
that.
Huh? It's just like this. And then all you gotta do is go and tighten
¿Qué?
your arm muscles.
Okay.
And it'll choke them. You don't even have to pull back or anything.
So you go like this. I can't put my thing.
Let me turn my body so it'll help you.
You want to help him choke you.
It's not working. Look. Put your arm around. Just listen to what I say. Quit trying to do it.
Ángel, es que le tienes que poner tu de esto de aquí en esto
Okay,
de
are you
aquí.
grabbing your shoulder?
Almost. I'm not that flexible.
Okay, just as much as you can. Now put the other one behind my head and grab the other one.
Behind my head and grab the other one.
No, grab your shoulder.
I got. Oh!
You gotta grab your shoulder.
What? Fuck me!
Look, let me show you.
Ow!
Let me show you. Watch.
Feels like a cat.
Look,
You
watch
turn
this,
on the
okay?
light.
Don't
That way I
dare
can see
choke me
better.
again!
Mira, mira, fíjate.
Ah!
Oh. Ángel, no te pones la mano más arriba.
You actually choked me! Ow!
Elder Robinson, Patterson.
What the
Who's
crap?
Tony and Isaac?
Did it text?
What?
Ew!
I'll take out that
No!
This is
You're
easy.
not.
This is an easy
No!
one.
You're gonna
It's not-
choke me!
I'm not gonna do the same one. This is a different one.
But you're not gonna
This
tighten
is
your
an
muscles.
easy
You're
one.
not gonna tighten your
I
muscles.
won't, I promise. This
Mommy,
is an
don't
easier
pee.
one.
If you try to
This is
choke
one you
me,
can do easy, okay? It's called the blood choke, okay? It's called the blood choke.
Ow.
Look. You put your arm around.
Don't
And
choke!
watch.
Don't choke!
Angela, stop being a girl.
Done anything.
I'm afraid you might choke.
If it hurts, you just tap my arm.
I don't want to tap it. I don't want you to do it.
Better than mine.
Do it. I gotta show you.
No, it's gonna hurt.
You can show with me if you want.
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
with
darn
him.
it, Mom.
Crap, that hurt. Yeah, you donkey.
I didn't even do it.
my God.
That's 4 minutes long. Wow.
No, you went
5.
This is easier. Watch. It's like this.
You showed me how to choke
Ángelo,
before
es que
the
tú te,
tie.
mira, pelón,
Show.
es que tú te ponías la mano así, muy abajo, la
Massage,
tienes que poner más arriba.
That worked?
No, I didn't.
Ay, Ángelo, contigo.
I'm gonna go cry in the bathroom.
I was trying to show you, Angela.
Did he just say he's gonna go cry in the
You
bathroom?
cut your veins soon.
Elder Patterson, here's your birthday for leaving. Here, you can have it.
What is it? Okay.
There, she's already taking one. I'll just bump it on. You can have it.
Wait.
Oh my shins.
Hey, you want me to show you one that's not choking you, Angela?
Wait, Angela. You're writing.
How isn't that working?
Angela, you're not doing it right.
You need to get out of the way.
I'm sorry. I wanted to see how ugly you
Better
are
not even dare choke me.
Elder,
I was-
you managed this, Elder.
What?
You baptized Maria. Not be so good.
Oh, whoops. I just copied yours. I just copied yours. I wasn't paying
I was
attention.
copying yours, and I was like, what?
I'm gonna die.
Ángelo, es que te
You're
digo que
so
él pone la mano
smart.
más arriba y tú la pones más abajo.
Okay, let me try it.
Mommy's like,
Más arriba.
Go like that.
Look,
Put your
Mira,
hand like
mira,
that.
ponle la mano